All right, now that we have the fuel pump fuse in and the fuel injector fuse in, we're going to energize the system and let the fuel system pressurize and check for leaks. Here's our fuel lines, the fuel rail. Biggest indicator would be what it smells like. Can you smell any fuel? Because you'll smell it before you see it. I don't smell it, I don't see it. So now we can crank it over. See if she'll fire up. So on this engine, what we did, just to review, we purchased a used engine and we brought it home and we took a look at the internals. The heads had just been replaced on it. The crosshatch of the cylinders was good, but the rod and the main bearings were worn out. So was the timing chain and so was the oil pump. So we replaced the main bearings, the rod bearings, the oil pump, timing chain, water pump, and we replace the seals. So now let's fire it up. All right, that's what I like to hear. Run it for a few seconds. Shut it off, check your oil, then top it up. We're using Valvoline VR1 oil. This is an old school flat tappet engine, so you need that VR1. Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.